Type-C charge port. Oh, that helps. Antenna on the top. So, okay, I get it. I get it. You charge it from the bottom, and maybe if you stick it in the top, you can use the remote as a flight unit for simulations. So, okay, that makes sense now. Cool beans. Cool beans. This does not turn on. See, if I press the button, nothing turns on, which means I have to figure out how to install the batteries in here, which can't really tell. And I'm hoping that I don't have to remove or disengage the crossfire unit in order to stick the batteries in there, because that would be
Likey